You know what? Oh.
Dropping it in the lake.
How about no?
I mean, they can only see like this part. You can't see our head. Perfect.
Perfect?
I guess.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
If it doesn't fall, it's good.
Okay, no one talk.
Okay. All right. How are we feeling?
I don't know.
How do we feel about math right now? Thumbs up, middle, down. Down. Okay. Lots of downs. Okay, middle. I can work with that. Middle. Okay.
Actually, I'm feeling good.
Feeling good? Okay. All right. So we're gonna do a little activity. So you can go ahead and look what's under your brown bag. Thanks. So your task is to count how many cupcake tins you have.
2.
Okay. So put them out in front of you. Okay. Each of you will have kind of a different number. Yeah, you can put it on the floor. You can do your notebook on the floor.
4.
You have 3. You have 4. You have 2. 2. Okay. Your next task is to get 12 M&Ms out of your little pack. And put them on this brown thing. 12. Yep, exactly 12.
Without dropping any more.
How many do we need?
12. Oh, you're only supposed to have 4.
Oh, that works.
Thank you.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm done.
You're done? Nice. Okay. I'll probably record a little bit of you just doing your thing.
9.
There.
10, 11.
Okay. Did you have exactly 12?
Oh, no, in the bag?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, did you eat some?
No. I would.
Alright. How many do you have? 12. 12. Everybody have 12?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Count in your head. Good job.
4 plus 4 plus 4.
12. Okay. You have 12, Jaden? Everybody has 12? Okay. Your job is to divide these evenly into the amount of cups that you have.
Someone stole my other cup.
Yeah, you should only have 4. That was my mistake.
Oh,
Sorry. Okay. Done. Okay. Cool. Jaden, how did you do that? How did you figure? Oh, you counted 2s. Okay. How did you know to count by 2s?
Because there's a lot, or 12 M&Ms. So 4, 8, 12.
Oh, okay. Got you. You have 3 cups.
Oh, wait, no, I counted wrong.
That's okay.
13.
Oh.
I can't count.
That's okay. Sammy, how did you know to put exactly 4 in each little cupcake tin?
because that's what, like, so you use, like, if you have 8 and then you add 9, 10, 11, 12, that makes another 4 and multiples.
Good word. So you know that 4
Plus
That's
4.
right. 12 is a multiple of 4, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Can we eat them now?
Yes, you can eat them. So we just did division,
I'm joking.
which is pretty easy. You can eat them. You can eat them throughout the lesson if you want to. Just don't let them be a distraction to you. So, let me see. Israel, before we do that, how could you make what you did an equation? Write it on your...
6 on this.
We divided, so you started with 12. So how would you write that?
6 divided by 12.
6 divided by 12? So we had, let's see, Aliana, so you started with 12 too. You guys both have the same, that's why I'm using it. So you started with 12, and then you needed to divide them into how many groups?
2.
2, okay. So you're dividing 12 by 2. So it's 12 divided by 2 equals, how many per group did you have?
I feel like
Two groups of. Gotcha. So 6, right? Okay, exactly. So your equations are 12. That's how many M&Ms you had, divided by the number of cupcake tins you have. So Sammy, yours would be 12 divided by
3.
equals.
Here's number.
Oh.
Exactly. So in each of your 3 groups, you'll have 4 M&Ms. Exactly. Okay. So again, you can eat those throughout the lesson if you want to. That would
I
just
had 3 in each.
Yeah, you did have 3. How did you do that? How did you figure that?
I put 2 in each and then I didn't have enough, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna put 1 in each.
Okay,
And I
gotcha.
kept delivering it equally.
Yeah, there's different ways to do it. Did anyone go one by one into each back
No.
and forth?
I put
That's
2
what I
in
did.
each
I went
until
like
I had one for everyone. Like
Okay.
Sam did.
3.
I'm going to eat the odds.
I like that you color coordinate yours. You like to do that. Okay, cool. So, now that we did that, you can eat those. So we're going to keep working with division in this lesson right now.
I can't do that.
That's okay. We'll work through it. So, the type of division we're doing is called standard algorithm. Everybody say it.
Standard algorithm.
Kind of sounds kind of weird, huh? Kind of sounds like, I don't know, like a spell or something, right? So,
Medusa, standard algorithm, Medusa.
exactly. It sounds kind of funny. Okay, so we're going to look at the board. So we have 4 steps. Has anyone seen these before?
Yes.
Okay, what did we say it was?
Divide, multiply, subtract. Bring it on down back.
Hey, nice. We said, what was it? Dang, Miss Moore, so beautiful. Is that what it is? Okay.
I don't know. I have no clue.
That's okay. So these are steps for dividing. So our first step is to divide. Oh,
Sounds like a personal problem, bro.
do you know where to grab one?
There it is.
Oh,
I do it all the time.
yeah. You,
Not that.
no, wrong one on the left.
Dang.
No, just pull harder.
Okay, so
Okay, so in your notes you can start writing this. These are the 4 steps to standard algorithm long division.
You're wearing all right now.
You can grab another one. It's okay. Just throw it. It's fine. Okay, so we should have D, M, S, G. So we have divide.
Conquer.
That's social study. Multiply. Subtract.
And it always comes.
And bring.
It on down back.
I love that. Okay.
subtract these are going to go.
I used to have a song for that, but I forgot it.
Okay, so those are our 4 steps to dividing. So you always have to remember those. You can write those down and
Divide,
start working.
conquer the castle.
Okay,
You can conquer anything if you believe in yourself.
true. That's true.
Fight me at the top.
Are you taking notes?
I know.
Kind of, but no.
I'm trying to make up a cool saying.
These are pretty.
Ah, okay.
Okay, perfect. So we're gonna work through a problem together. The problem is this.
Can we write down coordinates?
Divided by 4.
When are we gonna be able
Okay,
to
what does that say, Jaden?
Can I write it down the way I write it?
Yeah, we're actually gonna get to that. So 208 divided by
4.
Yeah, okay. So how can we write this in a way that's easier to solve?
The box side.
The box play. So today we're going to do standard algorithm. That's a good idea. But how would you write this with like this sign?
Can I write it?
Yeah.
That's the box.
No, it's not.
It's like
No,
a
it
dog
isn't.
house kind of. That's what I call it. Sorry, when move out of your way. I'm stuck here.
Bring down.
It always looks like a 6 every time.
You can write it bigger.
Don't
So
question
8.
it. 4 is so thick.
Cool. Perfect. Okay. So do we see how we did that?
Thick.
Yeah, that is sick. So we took it from 208 divided by 4 to 208 divided by 4. Same thing. So this is the way you need to set it up to get to divide this.
I do it fancy. I mean,
Oh, you did it fancy? Let me see. Oh,
What is that?
fancy.
Okay, so I think this is just a division bar. I call it like the dog house. I don't know, it reminds me of a dog. Wolf.
Let's just say wolf on the top.
Yep, so this is the format that we needed it. So, before we even have these steps, we have like a little bit of extra steps to do. So we know that, remember how we had 12 M&Ms? This is our 12 M&Ms now. Now we have 208 M&Ms. Imagine that.
208.
And then,
Everybody give me your M&Ms.
nope, you still wouldn't even have enough. That's a lot of M&Ms.
You would
And-
have to buy probably 2 little packs.
Right? You'd have to have a lot of them.
singular pack that you can buy for
Like 5 the huge ones.
Yeah, true.
Why
So,
do you get the
this is our 12 M&Ms now. We have 208 M&Ms. And we have 4 cupcake tins. So, you can think about division like that all the time. That's exactly how you can think about it in your head is, I have this many M&Ms and this many cupcake tins. How many M&Ms will be in each cupcake tin, right?
5.
So, we're trying to figure out how many M&Ms are in each cupcake tin of 4. So,
hits the top
before we start this, we need to figure out what the multiples of 4 are. What's the multiple of 4?
4 goes
Eight.
20.
And
Exactly.
12. And 12.
Okay, so we're gonna write a little list on the
Maybe
side
12
over here.
plus
So we have 4. What's next? 8.
which is 16.
12.
So yeah, you can get
Keep it
20.
coming. 16. What comes after 16?
20.
20. Jaden, what's 20 plus 4?
20 plus 4.
Okay.
23.
Close. One more.
24.
Yes, sir. Okay, so we'll stop there. So we have 24. So these are our, what are they called again?
3, 4, 5.
Number 1.
Counting pattern.
Starts with an M.
Oh.
Multiple bars?
Multiples. There we go. So these are our multiples. So we have this written down. No, pretty much. That skip counting is your multiples, right? So our first step here, what does it say?
We
What's
have
our step?
24 M&Ms.
Divide.
You have
We have a
24.
stack of M&Ms in Minecraft.
Well, Minecraft.
Yeah,
Minimum.
if we were in Minecraft,
8 times 8 equals 64, which is a stack.
Oh, good to know. Okay, our first step is to divide.
Oh.
So
that's a lot of
we're gonna take 4.
And see how many times you can go to get to 24
Yes.
without going above.
So let's look at our first
1,
number here.
2,
What
5.
number place is this? Does anybody know?
100.
Hundreds, right? Do you see that, Sammy? See how we have 200 and this is in the first place, so that means it's the hundredths place. That's kind of cool. So we're gonna start with that. So just 2. Tessa, can you look at our multiples and see if from 4 can we get 2? No, huh? It's not up there. It's too high. 4 is bigger than 2, so that doesn't make sense. Exactly. So we put a 0 above the 2, but that does not work. All right, Jaden. Let's see.
I know what the answer
Even. We have an even type of numbers for 64.
Nice.
Wait, is
Okay.
it 64?
Here, let's try Sammy. So 20. Do you see 20 up there on our multiples?
Yes.
Okay. It's this one, right? So let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5. Okay. So where, Jaden, would we put our 5?
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Okay. Where would we put our 5? If we put our 0 here, where would we put our 5?
Beside the 0.
Exactly. That was easy, huh?
That
Okay,
was probably
so we
the
just
easiest
divided,
one.
so we'll give it a try. What's our next step? To multiply. Okay. So Miss Moore kind of does it like this. We put like an imaginary multiplication sign there. So we do 5 times 4 equals, we just solved this. It's okay. 20. You put a 20 here, exactly. We're just flying through the steps. Multiply, done. Subtract. Okay, so now we have 20 and 20. We're going to subtract here. So that's 20 minus 20. 0. All right, what's our next step?
Bring the 8 down on that.
Bring it downtown. Okay, what number are we going to bring down, Kaden?
The 8.
Yep, exactly. So you can draw an arrow, you can just bring it down. All right, now go to one of the final steps. Tessa, what's our next step here?
Divide the two twos.
Okay. So we're going to divide, 8 by 4. And you said it. What was the answer? 8 divided by 4? 8. Close. So here's our multiples. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is going to be our 8. So what number should we put here, Aliana? Yeah, what number should we put that?
8.
We're doing 8 divided by 4. Hold on. You say 2? Yep. Exactly. So we have 52, and our answer is 52 to that. Yes.
Is it not a remainder?
Nope, no reminder.
Guess what?
What?
It's not a 64 stack. It only counts up to 20.
Well,
It's 24.
okay.
And it's 60.
All right, how do we feel about that? Thumbs up, middle, down. Down still? Kind of in the middle. Middle, thumbs up. Okay, let's do
Actually, it was pretty fun.
Okay, we're gonna do another problem together. Okay?
Cause
Should we do a challenge one or a normal one?
normal.
Are we sure?
Normal.
Let's do a medium one. How about that?
Okay, can I go get my white?
Sure, you can get your whiteboard. if
Can
you'd
I
like.
go get a drink?
Sure.
I'm gonna savor this M&M.
Okay. Savor the M&Ms. Aren't those little packages so cute?
Yeah, like they feel big.
Right?
Put them in a package.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking, I was like, what candy should I use?
You poisoned them?
Why would I poison you?
You sure got the sour ones?
Sour
Skittles?
Oh, I love sour Skittles.
Sour Skittles are pretty good.
Once I had a whole package, and then my tongue started hurting.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it does make your tongue like raw.
Because of the acid stuff.
I think it's more of the salt.
No, it's just the acid.
Okay. The next problem we're gonna do.
Me?
I just peeled off all the.
1, 6, divided by 3. All right. Jaden, can you remember what my very first step is?
Adding them. Divide and conquer.
Not yet. There's something else we have to do.
Counting pattern.
Okay. Exactly. And we use our 3s, right? To get what is that?
An easy one without a remainder because 3, 6,
Yep.
9, 12.
Oh wait. 3, 6,
6, 9, 12.
15. And then what's after 15?
What's after 15?
16, 17,
18.
18. Okay, so what are these again?
Multiples.
Yeah, multiples, right, Sammy? There are multiples. Nice job writing that down. Okay, we got that pre-step done. Perfect. Now we're on to our divide and conquering. Our first step, you're right, Jaden, is to divide. So, Aliana, what would we do here? Do you know? So we need to divide something.
You have to try to put it. So you have to try putting 3 in 1. So
Yep.
that kind of makes sense because that's only 1.
Exactly. That doesn't work. So we put a 0 there. Then, what do we move on to? Kaden, what's our next thing?
Multiply.
Not just yet, because our division didn't work out yet. So we still have to divide
6
something.
different colors. 3 divided by 12.
You put 3 on top of the 2. I think. No.
Close.
4.
So the next number we're dividing is 12, right?
Oh.
So look at our multiples and count. What is 12 divided by 3?
12. 4.
4. How'd you get 4?
Because 3 times 4.
Exactly. You did 1, 2, 3, 4 on our multiples chart, and you found 12, and that was 4. So, Kaden, where do we put our 4?
Put it on top of the 2.
Yes, sir. Okay. Done.
So you said put the 3 on top of it.
Okay. Next step is to multiply. Sammy, do you know what we're gonna do here?
I'll be right back.
30.
Dispenser.
We're gonna multiply 4 times 3.
So 4. No, 12.
Yes. Good Good job. 12. So we're going to put a 12 there.
And then
Done. All right, our next step.
0, bring down the 6.
Wow, you're way ahead of me. Okay. 0, nothing there.
Bring down the 6.
Yes. Let it go. Let it go. Don't make me sing, I will. I know that makes
I love that song.
Okay.
I still sing.
And then exactly, we bring down our 6. And then let's see, Israel, what's our next step here?
Subtract.
We already subtracted, sorry.
Oh,
We brought
bring it
down.
on down back.
It's not how I see it. So since we already did that, we kind of start back over. So we divide 6 by 3, right?
6.
Now look at our chart, Jaden. Jaden. What number on our chart is 6? Hold on, Jaden. Just Jaden. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number?
18.
Ah,
That's it. After
like this. This is number 1. This is number 2.
2.
Okay, perfect. 2. Okay. So that means that 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we're going to put a 2 right here. And we know 2 times 3 is
24.
6. No remainder. That was easy.
I'm gonna do like a hard one.
Okay.
No. Yeah, let's do it. I'll let you know.
Alright. You're going to, on your notebooks, just to show that,
It's
I don't know,
absolutely
actually.
No
nothing.
longer exists.
Yeah.
It doesn't even, why did they make 0? It doesn't even exist.
Okay.
Okay, so then how would they make 10?
Yeah.
So I'm going to give each of you different problems, and we'll see what we get. So, Kaden and Israel, this is the problem I want you to solve.
So you only want me and him to solve.
Yeah, because I'm giving people other problems.
Oh.
Oh wait. Ooh.
Is it a hard one?
I know how to like 2000.
How do you
divided
say
by
it?
2000. Bring it on down back.
Okay,
Yeah.
give me a second.
Bring it on back.
Aliana and Tessa, I want you to solve this one.
Okay.
Let me see. I want to solve it.
Yeah.
Him or me?
There's no reason.
How did I get you?
All right.
Remember that one?
No biting people.
I'll bite him again. We'll eat your M&M from the belly.
All right, got it. 255. All right, Sammy, I want you to solve this one, okay?
No, you can't.
You can do
We
it.
have school limits.
No, if it was plus, this would be easy.
That's okay. You're doing good so far.
And
I will help you along the way.
Different story.
Remember our steps.
Stay away from me.
Okay. Now, Kaden and Israel, yours is
Do you want to get punched in the face?
Your problem is up on the board.
I punched it.
I want.
this is yours and Kaden's.
have two of
350
them.
divided by 3.
Tricky one.
Yours is kind of tricky.
Okay, bet.
Why do we only have the tricky one?
Because I'm smart. Not really.
I just have that.
All right, Jaden, you ready for a problem?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Don't touch my phone, please. Are you helping me?
Yes.
Thank you. Can you see me now?
Yes, perfect right there. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Seriously, it's like
You're like,
Please.
flat on the
Okay.
hey, what
Jaden.
if it falls down a boat?
True.
Right, because it's on the other side of the case.
supposed to be doing this together, Kate.
Jaden. No, you can do it separately.
Ooh, 100 times.
Don't do my problem.
100 divided by 5.
Okay, so I have 5 cupcakes.
Exactly.
And then I put 100 M&Ms in there.
Exactly.
And how many M&Ms would be there?
Exactly.
And the package.
Write it down. And show me what you get. Let's see how far you get.
Because there's 100
How's it
calories.
going?
Wait,
Good?
there's 100 calories.
Okay. You have it all set up. Now your first step is to write your multiples. So skip count by 5. So you're gonna go 5, and then, yeah, exactly. How's it going, Sammy?
No. I probably know.
I'm done. I got
But I
100
don't know how to do those.
and the 5 things.
Okay, did you write it?
Okay, so if I have 5 of these packets, they all equal 100 calories.
Whoa, I didn't even think about that. Okay, so Sammy, our first step is to write our multiples. So, we got to skip count, right? So we start with 3, and then we figure out
two-digit numbers.
the answer.
No, not like multiple things.
You keep on going.
Oh, you write that. That's fine.
Okay, so like that number.
Okay, I nearly got the answer on 7. You're supposed to be doing yours.
Okay. 3, good. 6, 9, 12, exactly. So you have your multiples, or you can probably stop there.
100 calories.
Oh my god. 3 divided by
You take 5 packets.
Okay,
That would be too many.
exactly. So, let's look at,
I know what to do.
you know? Okay.
I will slap you because I will not
Ooh, how'd you do that?
That wouldn't hurt at all.
Okay.
Ow, hurt so bad. Take me to the hospital.
Ooh. Exactly.
That's so dramatic.
So what did you, how did you see the 6?
Oh,
Your multiples, huh? So we have 1, 2. Exactly. And then you had another 6. Close. So 3 times 2 is 6. And then you did that same thing again. So 3 times 2 is 6. So it's going to be 2 times 3 is 6, like you did. You go 0, right? And then we do another 2. It's 2 times 3 is 6.
I forgot how to do that.
I think
And
your
that's your answer.
timer on your phone's running out. It's gonna shut off here pretty soon.
Really? Are you lying?
That's usually what happens for my phone.
Oh.
When I'm taking videos.
I need help.
This is your answer. And you just did division. And you tell me you couldn't do it. And you just did it perfectly.
I'm bad at division. You gave us a tricky one.
Yeah, I did.
Forgot how to do math.
Okay. So your first step, did you do your multiples? Did you do your multiples?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45.
Alright, you work together and see if you can get it. Yes. So we have 255 divided by 5. So you said nothing to here, there. Then you put a 5 here.
Who's ever Is it right? Come on, how do you want to work together?
5,
I forgot what to do.
5.
Okay, so
Okay. You're on the right track.
Okay, so how many times can 3 go into 35?
So, instead of doing 10, you're going to figure out.
then you put in 11. Subtract that.
So, we're going to try to find. We said that 2 didn't work, right? So, we put a 0 there. Now, we're going to do 25 divided by 5. And if you look on your chart, you have it there. Where is it? 5, 10, that one. Okay. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right?
Chavez, I think we need some help.
Okay. You working together?
Every single person, but
Okay.
I just
Nice, Sammy. Dang, you did an even bigger one, huh? You're good. Okay. So now we're gonna subtract 25. And 25 minus 25 is? Exactly. And so what times 5 equals 5?
5 times 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 10.
5 times 5 is 25. 5 plus 5 is
what
10.
time is it?
Yeah, I think it's time for you to go.
I'll get my book and my stuff.
Okay. Thanks for working so hard, Sammy. It's fun.
My
Okay.
hair looks crazy.
Don't let anyone touch my
So we
stuff.
just need to figure out what 5 times something equals 5.
5 times 1.
Exactly. So our answer is 51.
No, it disappeared. Found it.
So no remainder.
No remainder.
Okay, so how close can it get?
You like remainders?
Yeah,
Part.
yeah, you help everyone.
Yeah. Okay. Nice job. Alright. What are we doing? 350?
We're already at the. We subtracted everything and we're just at 240 now.
We just need to bring it down
Yep.
on that.
Okay.
This is my answer.
Oh yeah. Thanks, Tessa. See you. Okay. So where are we at?
We already subtracted it and
Okay.
So you have
11, 11.
Yes.
And
Thank
24.
you.
Where can I put these? I don't want them.
You don't want them?
No.
Okay. You can just leave them in there.
Okay, I'm gonna put them.
I don't think that's the answer.
It's 24. That's all that we can.
Oh, you don't like M&Ms? Or you're just not feeling it right now?
Is it 24? Is it 24? Is it 24? I'm high. I'm high.
Okay. Exactly. So you had the 1,
Is it
right?
24?
How could it be 24 if you have a 1 right here?
Is it 124?
We'll see. Okay, so you subtracted and you got all that.
Wait, what? I thought that was 11.
Ooh. Oh, okay. You guys. Yeah, you're right. You can do that. And then it's 35 minus what? 33.
11. Oh.
Oh.
I thought it was 11 too.
Yeah, 11 up there. And then 11 times 33 equals 33.
33,000.
So then 35 minus 33.
35 minus 33 is 2.
2. And we're bringing down our 0.
20.
It's 122.
Okay. So now we have to figure out how many times 3 will go into 20. Does it go into 20 perfectly?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No.
No.
6 times.
What's the closest number?
6.
No, it's 18 because it
18?
can't go over.
Okay, so we're gonna put a 6 right here anyways. Okay, don't. 6.
126.
6 times 3 is, what did we just say, Kaden? 6 times 3 is?
24.
No.
I mean, 6 times 3 is 21.
Close.
6 times 3? Oh, it's 18.
Yep.
I thought you were doing
Okay.
3, 6.
So then 20 minus 18, what is that?
20 minus 18. It's 2.
2.
Oh.
Okay. Now look on your multiples. Can we multiply 3 times something to get 2?
No.
No, we can't. So this is what you write.
I mean, you could get 12.
Wait, what did you put down here?
2. So that means we have 116 with a remainder 2.
I was not close.
That's okay. You did the whole process right, which is exactly what I wanted. So, yeah, if you were to subtract it out, then that's 2. And that's your answer. I gave you a tricky one because I know you guys could do the process.
We couldn't.
I
You could have
couldn't.
seen me and Emily. And also
Simple
Jaden, because
subtraction.
it was 5 divided by 100. Everybody's cups now.
Gonna throw those away? Well,
Why you throwing them away again? They need them. A cycle.
true, you can put it in the recycle. Okay, so does that kind of make a little bit more sense about how division works? It's a lot of practice, right?
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't make sense?
I mean, I kind of get it. I just.
Jaden threw food
Mm-hmm.
away in the recycle.
That's fine. Okay,
Are we done
so,
with that one?
no, I think we're gonna be done for now. So basically, you just have to keep practicing. The more and more you practice, the better you get, because you're gonna use division for the rest of your life. The rest of your life. Like possibly every day. So it's super important to do that. And division's kind of cool because it's like
Every
a
day
puzzle.
feels good.
Well, that's
Every day is food. It's
scary.
That's scary.
terrifying.
Might as well practice now then. There's another one.
Tomorrow.
No, tomorrow's Saturday.
No. Oh.